The dictionary definition for a mother is a woman in relationship to her child or children by giving birth and or bring up a child with care and affection. This is a great definition in my opinion. Fact 1. The origin of Mother's Day. Did you know that Mother's Day was started by a woman named Anna Jarvis? This campaign started after Anna's mother died in 1905. Now we are going to cut out the rows. She organized the first Mother's Day service of worship at Andrew E. Pensacola Church in West Virginia during the year of 1908. This Mother's Day celebration was quickly caught on all across America. Fact 2. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family or individual as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It is celebrated on different days in many parts of the world, most commonly in the months of March or May. It complements similar celebrations largely pushed by commercial interests honoring family members, such as Father's Day, Siblings Day, and Grandparents' Day. She works hard around the home to feed, nurture, and make time when there is a need necessary to her family for completion of safety and well-being.
Oh, battery dead.
I folded it up and added it like that because we want to make it look a bit 3D. So look at a bit flat right now. Yep. And it's 3D-ified. Mother's Day means to me a day where we celebrate mothers of their appreciation and hard work.
Okay.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Today is Saturday, which Mother's Day is tomorrow. So we're making gifts for all the mothers around the world. Right now we're going to make you a card because you're very special to your children. So here's what I'm going to use. You can choose any paper you want, but here's the paper I'm going to use. I'm using these two type of flowers. They have drawings on the back. Let's get the scissors. Got to get the big guns. So I'm way too scared. So first we're going to cut with these. Let's finish cutting this. So very, very reasonable since this paper wouldn't cooperate. So I think I'll let my mom cut this one out. So I'm just going to take a quick little break. I'm just going to playing poker. I got $7. So here you go. $2, $3, $4, $5. Here you go, all my bucks. Thank you. So I'm just gonna cut these out. So I'm gonna start from here.
Alright. I think you have enough.
Yeah, I have enough. Those
Put
extras.
scrap paper over here.
These are extras for later in case we need more, but for now we're just gonna put them in scraps.
Okay.
So I think I have 4. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll put this in scraps. So right now we have 4 for 4 flowers. So we'll just, now we're gonna cut out the bow, like my mom had drew.
Put it down.
So we'll try.
Down.
So starting from the ribbon, making our way up.
Excuse me.
So mom's gonna do
No.
something.
Yeah. Alright, so can you have it down like this? Is it okay to have it down? Huh?
Yeah.
Then have it down like that. Huh?
Yeah.
And have it down like that. Okay, there you go.
So I'm gonna continue cutting. Now this is my bow. It looks very adorable to me. So we'll just do this. So you'll need a bunch of blue. And so there we go. 1 minute. Just really. It may look kind of uneven. Straight up, a little bit curved to the side. So there. So we're gonna take our last one. So there we go. So 1 minute, I need to do something.
Smooth it down.
So then you're supposed to smooth it down. So then put this one like this. And so take the flowers that you cut out earlier. And so we'll
It'll
just.
be fine.
So we better hurry up and get that on. And so now we're gonna stick its pollen so the bees can eat.
Thank you.
So stick that in the middle. So now we're gonna take this other beautiful masterpiece. This is how yours should look. So I'm just probably gonna add some little sprinkles with markers or crayons. So bye, see you in the next video. Happy Mother's Day, May 9th, 2021.